Hello guys, it's that time of the year again when you are going for camp meeting.
Yes, it will be fun and exciting.
Our theme will be
living for Christ.
We will talk more about Bible heroes like Abraham and Deborah,
Ruth and Gideon, and Peter too.
There are going to be powerful lessons, games, puzzles,
and coloring activities too.
And a lot of fun things to do.
You are all invited.
Don't miss this chance.
Don't miss this chance.
Don't miss this chance.
Invite a friend. I will be there and you must be there if you want to live for Jesus Christ.
The lessons will be available at 50 cents a copy. So please, parents, can you buy some for my friends so that they can enjoy at the camp meeting?
Bye. See you there. I'll be there.